Stop putting off self-improvement. These 10 books will change your life. First up, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey, a classic for building powerful habits. Next, Atomic Habits by James Clear, where small changes lead to big results. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle teaches mindfulness and living in the present. Improve your communication with Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. Discover the power of a growth mindset with Carol S. Dweck's Mindset. Live by 4 Profound Principles with the 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero, a humorous guide to overcoming self-doubt. Mark Manson's The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F***cc helps you focus on what truly matters. Start your day right with The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. Finally, take control of your life with Tony Robbins' Awaken the Giant Within. These books cover everything from habits to personal growth, perfect for your self-improvement journey.